This is Osdro. On the left is the core, which is responsible for the flight and control. On the right is the shell. This is the final design of Osdro. I've gone through so many revisions of this, but these parts do lift and these parts do fly, and I'm able to control them. And you'll see that in the engineering videos later on. Here's my toolbox, and right of that is my 3D printer. So this is actually creating my, right now it's creating the bottom part of the drone. Okay, moving on, when I'm done with a 3D part, I go to this post-cure station, and this station is where I also inject polyurethane foam to my 3D parts. I do that to add in strength while also maintaining the weight of the parts, because I definitely do not want these parts to be heavy. This is the final design of Osdro. You'll notice that this design reflects what you've seen in the lab. And these are the parts that I make from the 3D printer. Like I said, these parts do fly, and the core is able to carry sufficient amount of weight. This is the Osdro core taking flight. As you can see, you can move it left, right, forward, reverse, or even up and down. Now, control of the core as well as the shell can be manipulated via the phone or the remote control, or through the autonomous mode via the Intel Dual Core processor. This is Osdro's operating system. I'm currently using Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, and this is what's going to be shipped. What you'll notice is that I'm running an application that I've written for face tracking. Now, notice that there's this blue square around my face. It's an optimized face tracking algorithm. And that target is actually updating the flight controller command. So if I'm moving left or right, that corresponds to the flight controller's directionality also. Notice that on the bottom right-hand side, there's depth, and that depth is from the Intel RealSense R200 camera, which will be installed in Osdro as well.